What's your name?
Lucifer.
Apple.
Exactly.
See that girl over there? She was bullying me. She created a fake Snapchat account and used it to make fun of me.
Hello, mean girl. Did you know there's a special section of hell reserved for bullies? So, have fun.
Bad for my business. Repent! The devil
Isn't finished with you yet. You see, what I hate more than anything is a liar, a charlatan, someone who doesn't believe in what they say.
So what are you going to do about it?
Why, make you a believer, of course.